Worldline GoPay API Explorer. Create hosted checkout. In this video, we will show you how to create a hosted checkout session using GoPay API Explorer. Please note that all activities performed on our GoPay API Explorer take place on our shared developer environment by default. But if you want to test how any endpoints or scenarios would work on your own shop, you must first connect your merchant with the GoPay API Explorer. Please watch the how-to video on our channel before continuing. To create a hosted checkout session, first open the Create Hosted Checkout folder and select one of the post requests. For the purposes of this video, we'll go with the basic endpoint. The request field displays the contents of the post request for your current configuration. The basic request contains only the following information: essential data, customer information, and shipping information. The left bar under the Features section allows you to modify the contents of your post request based on the information or features you want to include in your session. For the purposes of this video, let's choose cards as our payment method and include 3D Secure in our request. Once you configure your request, press Send to receive a response. After creating a hosted checkout session, you can click the Get Hosted Checkout button under the Next Step section to get the status of your hosted checkout session. The API Explorer will automatically fill in your hosted checkout ID into the right URL parameters field. After that, click Send. The returned response will contain the status of your hosted checkout session. Please note that you can also do this by choosing the Get Hosted Checkout endpoint and manually filling in your hosted checkout ID. Try out the GoPay API Explorer now, or learn more on the official documentation portal.